Hi, I'm Stacey. This is Serve It Home Edition. And today I thought about a classic, a great cheeseburger. But I'm going to show you how to do some stuffed burgers, bacon blue cheese, and a goat cheese with caramelized onion. It all begins with the right beef. This is Wagyu Kobe style beef burgers from Rastelli's. Extremely tender and juicy, melt in your mouth, which you can cook from frozen or you can thaw them out, which is what we're gonna do to make our stuffed burgers. So what you're gonna need, some bacon, goat cheese crumbles, some very thinly sliced onion. I mean thin. Some blue cheese crumbles, and a great roll. I love potato rolls the best. They're soft. I lightly toast them on the grill or on the skillet, and it's just so good. First, take one of your thawed beef patties and split it in half. We're gonna make these 2 equal round discs. Take a little bit of bacon, which I already cooked, chop some of it up. Put that in the center along with some of your blue cheese crumble. Next, take your second portion and lay that over the top. The key here is leave enough room, about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch on the sides so you can make a nice seal on the burger. Voila. Rastelli's gives you their awesome steak seasoning. This has salt, peppers, onion, and garlic. If you don't have the seasoning and you're using your own beef, just a little bit of salt and pepper, nothing fancy. Now let's do one with the goat cheese and the caramelized onions. So take another thawed Rastelli patty, split it in half. Now that we have 2 round patties, a little bit of goat cheese right here in the center. And remember that red onion we sliced really thin? All I did was put it in a saute pan with a little bit of olive oil and really got it to soften and start caramelizing. Place it in the center of the burger, saving more for the topping. And again, I'm just going to now create a seal on the side. Top this off with a little bit of salt and pepper, or I like my Rastelli steak seasoning. Time to throw these babies on a hot grill. Cook them on the grill about 5 to 6 minutes per side. And the burgers are done. Take my roll, caramelized onion, goat cheese, and with the creaminess of the goat cheese, I don't need any mayo, I don't need any mustard. Certainly if you wanted to put a little Dijon on there, but this goat cheese is just gonna melt and be really, really good. For the blue cheese and bacon, we're going to take some more of that blue cheese, which will get really creamy and warm from the hot burger. Oh yeah, we need more. And then top it off with some more of that cooked bacon. Voila. I'm gonna taste test the goat cheese. Perfectly cooked, nice medium, ooey goodness. I served it with some grilled roasted vegetables to make me feel a little bit better. But corn on the cob, potato salad, coleslaw, you got yourself a backyard delight with a classic gourmet cheeseburger. To shop everything you see in this episode, go to qvc.com and search Serve It. And don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss another episode, because more good, easy recipes like this one are sure to come. Thanks, everybody. Ciao.